we need a good hearty soup. So I went into my fridge and I said, what vegetables do I have? Because I love a great garden vegetable soup. So I have onions, I have carrots, celery, zucchini, two kinds, the yellow and the green. I have some nice fresh parsley that I chopped up. My carrots and my onions are sitting on top of the stove right now because carrots are going to take the longest to get soft, so we're letting them sit up on top of the stove. I prepped my vegetable consomme so that this will be the stock that we're going to be adding in. 4 cups of it. Oh, I think it was 8 cups of it, of course. Now, then I went into the freezer and I said, what do I have? Maybe I'll add a few extra things. I found that I had okra. I love okra in my soup, but they're a little too big, so I'm going to wait a little bit. These are the ones that are going to get added at the end because I'm just going to dice them up and put them in. I also found some leaf spinach. So at the end, these are one of these things that once you have in your freezer, put it into your vegetable soup. It's really the flavor of your stock and your vegetables that are going to give this that wonderful, warm, hearty flavor. So let's check on our carrots. And they are nice and soft. So the next hard vegetable we're going to add in is going to be the celery. So you want to put in all the hard vegetables first. Put your stove in your soup pot. And later on today, when you need a nice warm soup, this is the one to go to. Our vegetable stock, carrots, celery, and onions have been boiling away. Now we're going to add in the crushed tomatoes. If you have plum tomatoes, that will work. I like a red color to my vegetable stock. So in goes our crushed tomatoes. And now we're ready for the zucchini, my okra, parsley. We're just going to give a few little sprinkles of my parsley. Little extra salt. We're going to give us a little bit of a taste. This is where's my cover? And it's going to cook on top of our stove. Okay, so our hearty vegetable soup came out beautiful. Has a beautiful red color. The spinach really added that nice extra texture. Perfect. Enjoy Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen hearty vegetable garden soup. Enjoy.